from now, it's harvest day for Mang Axel's farm, so that he is very careful on his plants. When he came to his farm and sprayed pesticides and watered his plants. It's harvest day on Mang Axel's farm.
Okay, ano? Mga tanga kayo. Sir nyo rin nasa. Oh, hindi na ako
When Mang Axel went to his farm, he excitedly watered his farm, and after an early harvest, before he started harvesting his plants, he saw his sons Ronnie and Ali Justin walking to went to his farm to help him harvest. They start harvesting, and when they got finished harvesting, they are very happy. We're going to our house to clean these pages, and your mother and your sisters will sell it market after we clean it. Yes, we're here.
Doctor, help me.
Jangan bangun